Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Power cycle the phone right now and keep it off for about 10 seconds so the radio resets. Next, remove the SIM carefully and inspect edges and contacts for dirt or bends, then wipe with a dry, lint-free cloth. While the SIM is out, make sure your account is active and not suspended by the carrier. Once done, reinsert the card securely. Make sure it clicks into place and aligns with the tray orientation indicator. You now dive into network settings. Toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off to force a fresh scan. If your phone still shows no network, open mobile networks and manually select your carrier so the device stops hunting incorrectly. Make sure preferred network type matches your SIM, LTE, 5G, or 3G to avoid mismatches. Also check for carrier settings updates and install system updates. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs and restart the phone. You finish by isolating the fault. Remove the SIM and test it in a different compatible phone. This shows whether the SIM or your device is at fault. Conversely, try a known good SIM in your phone to check for faulty SIM slots or antenna problems. If the SIM fails in another phone, request a SIM replacement from your carrier. If your phone fails with other SIMs, seek device service. If nothing works, one key tip: document error messages and timestamps before calling carrier support to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.